ShareASale Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and top programs are in the description. Now let's dive in. ShareASale is one of the most established affiliate networks, operating for over 20 years and hosting thousands of merchants across various niches. It's designed for both beginner and experienced affiliates looking for a wide range of programs, from physical products to digital services. The platform offers an intuitive dashboard with real-time reporting, helping affiliates track clicks, conversions, and commissions effectively. One of its standout features is the variety of commission structures: pay-per-sale, pay-per-lead, and pay-per-click, giving affiliates flexibility in choosing programs that align with their strategy. The approval process is straightforward, though some merchants have individual requirements. ShareASale also provides deep linking, which allows promoting specific product pages rather than just the merchant's homepage. Additionally, affiliates can access pre-made banners and creatives, saving time on marketing assets. Now let's talk about strengths. First, the platform has a massive selection of merchants, including exclusive programs not found elsewhere. Payouts are reliable, with a minimum threshold of $50, and affiliates get paid monthly. The tracking system is robust, ensuring accurate commission attribution. Another advantage is its user-friendly interface, making it easy to find, apply to, and manage programs. However, there are weaknesses. Some merchants offer low commission rates, meaning careful program selection is crucial. Additionally, the platform's customer support can be slow at times, which may be frustrating for affiliates needing quick assistance. The UI, while functional, feels somewhat outdated compared to newer networks. So, is ShareASale worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a trustworthy network with a vast selection of affiliate programs, solid tracking, and reliable payments, it's a great choice. Just be strategic about program selection and commission rates. Check the links in the description to explore top programs and start earning today.